Hi everyone, today's video is going to be about DEXTools. DEXTools is an app with many purposes. To list a few, it aggregates real-time market and coin data from various decentralized exchanges and makes it accessible on one platform. It also serves as a decentralized exchange to trade coins. Furthermore, it is used as a launchpad for users who want to create their own tokens. But today, we will focus on how to find useful information on coins before we decide to buy them, and also we will see how we can spot new and potential projects using DEXTools. Let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is to go over to the description and find a link, or you can go to your browser and type info.dextools.io and it will take you to this page. We are on the info page now. And there is an option for paid and free version. We'll just go with the free version. And if you are on the mobile phone, you can download the app here. If you are on PC, scroll up and hit launch. This is the home page. If you go to the left, you'll see the menu and the menu items. And I'll show you all the items that are related to the topic for today. And here it says all chains. It shows you all the chains that are available on DEXTools, and you can filter by chain. For example, if I want Ethereum, I can click Ethereum and it will show me all the coins on the Ethereum network. As of now, DEXTools have more than 92 chains, and the ones that say new are the ones that are just added. Next, I'll show you the setting options. Here, if you just click the setting, it will give you different options. For instance, if I want a light mode, I can just toggle the switch and make it light mode. And if you are on a mobile phone, you just go on the left, on the top left, and you can click the chains menu to filter by chain, and it will give you all the chains. And if you go on the right corner, you see the menu. You can find all the menu items and the setting. Click the setting at the bottom and it will give you the settings. And you can toggle between light and dark mode here. And you have all the other settings as well. Okay. Okay, here's a search bar. You can insert all the coins that you want to research by contract address or by ticker symbol or name. Okay, we'll get back to the desktop version. Okay, here at the top right corner, it says connect. This is if you want to connect your wallet, but we are not going to connect our wallets. Alright, so here on the Dexboard, you can filter by daily gainers and by daily losers. For instance, on the daily gainer side, we have a few coins here. The one on number 1 says French. It has gained above 98,000% within the last 24 hours. So these are some of the ways that you can filter coins and see if they're worth it. Okay, let's get back up here. Here we have the search bar. We can copy paste contract addresses. And you can also look up coins by symbols, but it's always good to have the contract address so you can get the right coin. And you can also go here on the Pair Explorer, and you can also paste it here. So the coin that I'm looking for is French. As you can see here, it gives you everything about that coin. Here it gives you the chart. One good thing about DEXTools is that some decentralized exchanges don't show you the chart, so you can always copy and paste the contract address here and you can get the chart. And it also gives you the trade history and it updates it on real time, so it's live. You can see like all the buy and sell orders. And there are a few things to look for when you are about to buy a coin. One of them is the social links. Okay, here it shows you the website, and you can know more about the project by going onto the website. Let's click it here. This is the website for that coin. Yeah, you can learn more about the project. And you can go back and you can check the Twitter and the Telegram, see if like the accounts are active and the users are engaging. And usually that's a good sign. It's always good to have a project with some social links here. Okay, here on the left side, you can see the contract address beside the name of the token, which is French. And you can see the market cap and the liquidity in the project. For instance, this one has more than 700k liquidity, and you can see the supply, number of holders, and you can also filter by volume. For example, here the 24-hour volume is 12 million, but you can also filter here by 5 minutes. You can see by the hour, 6 hours, and even days. So you can get a clue of like how much liquidity is flowing, how active the market is. And if you scroll down here, it says 99. This is the DEX score. So the higher the number, the more reliable the project is. So Dexboard gives a project based on its own metrics. And also, you can check if the contract is verified. It says yes, no honeypot, and there's no buy tax, no sell tax. So these are the things that you can check for before you buy. All right, now we will go to the live new pairs. Okay, so the live new pairs, it just shows you the tokens that are just being launched in real time. For instance, this first one, it is 45 seconds old. It's just pretty new. So you can peek and like, you can do your own research. You can choose a coin, and some of them are not, I'm not ready to trade because there's no pool created yet. But the ones with the pool and the ones with liquidity, yeah, that you can trade. So it just shows you as they launch. Those pretty new coins. Okay, the next section is the token creator, but we don't have to bother about this because we're not going to create any token right now. And the next one is the Multichart. We use this when we want to monitor multiple charts at once. You see, I have more than 4 coins, about 5 coins that I can monitor all at the same time. And here is the stats. Okay, so the stats section is you can filter by a decentralized exchange. For instance, if I say Orca, and it will show me all the hot pairs on Orca exchange. So it will show you all the trending pairs on a specific decentralized exchange, and you can have multiple exchanges at once. For example, I can add one more here. Let's go with Saros. Okay, here, these are the coins that are trending on Saros exchange. Okay, here is the Big Swap Explorer. The Big Swap Explorer shows you all the swaps with a higher amount of transactions. For instance, here we have PayPay, and there's a transaction of $11K here. And you can always like track these wallets and see what they do. You can study what they do. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard and I'll show you a few more things. Okay, earlier I showed you how you can filter with daily gainers and daily losers, but there is also more options to filter if you scroll down. Okay, for instance, you can go to pairs here and you can filter by time. There's 24 hour, an hour, and even 5 minutes. And you can also filter by custom filters. You can have your own custom filters. If you just click here are all the ways that you can filter with. For instance, here I can filter with chain. Okay, let's choose Solana. And you can select an exchange. You can go with Orca. You can filter by liquidity, volume, and like number of swaps, amount of swaps, market cap, and the DEX score. If you want to see coins only with higher DEX score, you can just pick 80 and it will show you all the coins above 80. You can also filter by time of when the pool was created. You can go with minutes or even days, months, and years. And once you finish inserting your filters, you just come here and you just go here at the bottom and click filter. Okay, as you can see, this is what it filtered for us. Okay, that's all for today. If there's something that you find unclear, please comment at the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification on so you can be notified on the next video. Thank you and have a good day.